Hi guys! For today's video, dito naman tayo sa isa sa mga favorite ko na coffee shop, ang Cafe Ilocano. Located ito dito lang sa JKB Building, Barangay Ginatan, City of Ilagan, Isabela. And we're going inside the coffee shop para makita na natin ang loob and review their coffee and other products. And this is what their interior look like, guys. It looks really cozy and relaxing. At yan nga pala ang kanilang mga menu. They offer coffee and non-coffee blends as well as their own unique dishes na pwedeng pagpipilian like various breads such as ensaymada, Cafe Ilocano French fries, Cafe Ilocano waffles in different flavors, at marami pang ibang options. And sabi nga dito guys, na imas nga kape, na ang ibig sabihin that their coffee is really delicious. So you can be assured that it's really tasty and you'll definitely like it. Umorder nga pala kami ng favorite naming Barista Blend and Cafe Ilocano French fries. It's our favorite kasi it has something with a unique taste. Or am I the only one who noticed it among those who have tried it, guys? Basta ang masasabi ko guys, masarap talaga siya. Hindi ko talaga siya ma-explain masyado. So ayan, gumagawa na si ma'am. And while waiting, alam niyo ba guys na ang mga Ilocano na kagaya namin ay super mahihilig talaga sa kape. Actually, Ilocanos have a long tradition of drinking coffee, often as a way to start our day or to socialize with friends and family. Karaniwan itong iniinom noon sa traditional na palayok na kung tawagin, at nilalagyan lamang ito ng sweetened condensed milk para mas maging matamis ang lasa ng kape. Sa Ilocano culture din kasi kapag may mga bisita na dumadating sa bahay, coffee is often served as tanda ng pagkakaroon ng malasakit at tanda rin ng pagkakaibigan or kaugalian na inaalok ang mga bisita ng kape as a way to welcome them and show appreciation for their visit. At maliban kay mom, they are also the cheerful crew of the shop. Hello po! So ayan, ang aking asawa, nasarap sa kape. Masarap naman kasi talaga guys, and super na-enjoy din namin ang pagstay dito after our very tiring day. Makakapagmuni-muni ka pa dito guys, kasi relaxing nga yung ambience niya. Tingnan mo naman ang aking asawa, diba? That's why just like coffee din, na-appreciate ko talaga ang asawa ko. Kahit na super busy siya, hindi niya pa rin ako nakakalimutang i-date. And appreciate also simple things in life na meron kami at ine-enjoy namin ang bawat moments na magkasama kami. Isa rin ito sa mga bonding activities namin, na despite being super busy every day with work, we find time for each other pa rin. Similar to the Ilocano culture, where just like the perfect blend of coffee, it is important to value every moment in life, or sa kasabihan na agmula ti aldaw, which means to appreciate each day. So ayan guys, isa din sa favorite ko dito yung french fries nila na kinakain ng asawa ko na sweet corn flavor, na kayang-kaya kong ubusin mag-isa kung tutuusin. Obvious ba guys? Pero syempre may kasama ko, kaya I need to share it with him dahil halata naman na gustong-gusto din niya. O diba? Yummy! Happy na naman siya oh! And just a simple reminder guys, dapat kung pipili kayo ng taong mamahalin, dapat ay katulad ng kape. Yung matapang at kayang-kaya kang ipaglaban! I would also like to thank Ma'am Quijano, the owner of Cafe Ilocano, for sharing with all of you their secret on why their coffee is so delicious. Please don't forget to follow, subscribe, and like for more videos. Bye!